Hey y'all, Sean here, acupuncturist and creator of Rewilding Medicine. I just want to take a quick sec to let you know why you might want to go and see an acupuncturist or a practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine, okay? A lot of times people, wonder like, why would I want to do that? What benefits are there to be had, essentially, okay? One thing that's really important to know is that traditional Chinese medicine is a complete medical model, okay? It can stand on its own legs. And, here in the United States, yes, we do not treat emergency or urgent care. However, we can treat everything else. Now, one of the most common things that we get sought out for is pain management. In particular, on the heels of the opioid epidemic in the United States, we are seeing that acupuncturists are being more and more utilized because acupuncture is so bloody effective for pain management, okay? It just works really, really well and doesn't create a habit-forming process, isn't creating any rebound type of pain patterns either, okay? It just works. It works really well. But even though acupuncture is good for pain management, it is also good for other things, okay? One of the big things that I enjoy personally treating is digestive complaints that are really, really common. That could be things like gas, bloating, indigestion, acid reflux, constipation, loose stools, you name it. Anything to do with GI upset, with gastrointestinal upset, we can certainly help with. Now, acupuncture is one of the tools we may use for that. We may also often talk a lot about food therapy or dietary therapy, like the what, the when, and how of eating, all right? And that's a big one. The other thing that we can help is immune disorders. That may be things like autoimmune conditions. It may be things like allergies as well too. Also skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, hives, rashes, that sort of bit. The whole dermatology department can be helped quite effectively with acupuncture. Often that's acupuncture in combination with Chinese herbal medicine as well, at least for dermatological issues. And then respiratory complaints, things like asthma, wheezing, bronchitis, that sort of thing, emphysema, even COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, we can help with and get good outcomes with as well. And really the list goes on and on. And do know that yes, acupuncture can be used for a variety of things. Some acupuncturists though do have a specialty as well. So if you're seeking out the care of an acupuncturist, feel free to give them a call or just, check out their website and see if they happen to have a particular specialty. Speaking of specialties, one of the areas that I happen to specialize in is also pediatrics too, okay? And I'll make a whole kind of separate video on that. But working with kids is super fun. And yes, kids can get acupuncture too, just like adults. Okay, the approach is a little bit different. It's varied, but nonetheless, great efficacy, in treating children as well and with some of their common complaints. All right. So again, know that if you got a problem, maybe, just maybe, think about seeing a traditional Chinese medicine doctor or a traditional medicine, specialist of some sort as maybe a first line of defense and exploration for some chronic health conditions anyway. In part because conventional medicine, generally speaking, doesn't have a lot of awesome tools for managing chronic conditions over time other than pharmaceuticals. That's not to downplay the role of pharmaceuticals in keeping people alive. It's nonetheless, though, just to emphasize that there are some other approaches like traditional medical models that can really get to the root of an issue, help you heal, and then not create a reliance necessarily on a pharmaceutical agent, okay? So there you are. I do hope that you will think about acupuncturists as maybe a first line then in your health kind of path. If you have any questions about anything I just covered here or any specific kind of things, go ahead and just shoot me an email over at hello@rewildingmedicine.com. Also, if you liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down here below. That's always nice. And you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel here below as well to make sure that you stay in the loop about all the upcoming video content as well. All right, until next time, stay well.